Today is July 26th, which means I officially leave in like 3.5 weeks. So I found this little camcorder, let me show. And I decided to vlog my last month before college on here. Currently working on going through my clothes. There is a lot to do before I move. I am finally the passenger princess. Leah is showing us her place. I'm on off. It's the glare. We got the goods.
You do? With my beach bag? I just grabbed it in case I needed a bag.
And look at the view. You can really like not see. And the little sunset. Today we are dyeing Leah's hair.
Yeah, we are. I chopped it off a little bit.
Yeah, this is the before.
Medium golden brown.
Also, while they were at Target buying the
We got Barbie.
they bought me a nurse Barbie.
We all got our own Barbie.
Our own careers. Chris is gonna be a firefighter. Leah's gonna be an astronaut apparently. This is the Deering. We moved outside.
Better lighting.
How are you feeling?
It feels so lovely today. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
This is the after.
We're all brunette.
They all look the same in here.
Yay.
But wait, why are they all like the same? I mean, yours is like
Well, I'm
darker on
darkest
top,
at the roots, but if you just look
Wow,
like down
I
here.
look so different.
Yeah.
I think this is my last time eating In-N-Out because they don't have In-N-Out in Philly, obviously. Can you see? Protein style?
Yeah. You can't even tell.
I'm excited.
We're reunited. Oh. Finally. Oh, it's so bright. Guys, we're back at the beach. We are making our way to the pool that we always go. There we go. But the tide is going up and the sun is going down, so we need to hurry. We made it to the spot. Yeah. I wanted to go snorkeling. I wanted to go over there. But I brought it and it's broken. The goggles wouldn't work. I lied about that being my last time eating In-N-Out because we're with Olivia and she's going out of state, so we need to get In-N-Out again.
Yeah.
Look at my burger. It's like so sad. I spilled. I was going to say my last time getting 7 leaves. Oh no! I don't even get it often. I was just trying to use up all my points before I leave. On my way to the last YP meeting, I'm pretty sure we have a bonfire today. My last time getting a car wash. I'm not gonna have a car in college. So fun! Today I had a doctor's appointment like an hour away, so I explored a new beach on the way there, and it was so nice. I'm definitely going back when I come back for breaks. Today we're getting matching Build-A-Bears before college. We got all the bears.
Okay, this one's Willow. Will, the boy. This is Cardigan. You have to see their little hearts.
What's her name?
Mine is Cornelia.
And then mine is Dorothea.
But look. We're gonna sign the hearts later.
Yes.
I was like, girl. I'm not, I don't know the words. Hope it never ends. In my head. Never what?
All clear, everyone clear. Everybody present. Stop. You're present. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are now making pizza. Here's the before. tour of my pizza and Chris's. Olivia's working on hers, and Leah just put hers in. Finished product of Leah's, and here's mine and Chris's.
Are we done with these tomatoes? Do you want some?
It smells like the main place. Oh, there we go. We are going to try it. This is really hot. Mine is cold.
That's so good.
It's really good. Show me your bear. Oh!
Oh, this is mine.
I feel like a mom, like, you know how they record, like. Say hi, Olivia! We have been going around to so many people. How many donuts we have left? We started with 12, and we have 4 left.
Yeah,
We're just giving them out. And we're gonna go give it to Leah at work. Do you want a donut? Are you excited? You know where we are? We're at the dog beach. They're so excited.
I love it. Wait.
How do you feel about your last time at the beach?
It's not my last time. It's my last time with you guys.
Oh.
So I am very sad and I probably will cry.
Like our. This says. Leah
You
made
guys
us
like them?
matching bracelets. They're so
Do you like
cute.
them? I love them. I like the.
We had a little set it meetup. We'll set it. We got friends. Yeah, delicious. Since I'm going to be living in the dorms and not have a kitchen, I took the opportunity my last week to bake a cake. Okay, don't look at that side. Did not turn out how I planned, but it's alright. We're reunited. And here's my cake that melted on the way here.
Look at it. It
It's
looks
gonna be.
just.
We made. These are mine. Oh, I touched the cake.
Take them out. Take them out. Quaker oats. Wait, Natalie's are so cute too. I love everyone.
My last time at the beach.
You may look.
Goodbye, Crescent Bay forever. Or 4 months. Until December, I mean. Okay, this is the current state. And we have to try to pack everything I own in like 4 hours. Hurricane Hillary has hit my room. But we are like, we're almost there. I never updated. I finished.
I'm here too.
Have you been vlogging today?
Yeah.
I finished packing,
This is gonna be a chaotic vlog.
and now we're going to Alma's soccer game.
Let's do some calculations.
Alma 21. And if the hurricane is blowing from south. My last time in vlog for a while.
Ever. Oh no, last time for Natalie in California. We'll see her off.
No.
It looks before you go on your.
That's Natalie, and that's Maria Fatima.
That's Rachel. That's Tucker.
Can I do an outro on the vlog?
I'm in Arizona, and I fly out to Philly tomorrow, so that is the end of my summer and the end of me living in California.